Guys, we're going to be showing you how to make money with Snapchat stock. So first, what you want to do is find a stock that has increased volatility. So Snapchat stock, as we can see, has elevated volatility. And this is because Snapchat dropped dramatically after some bad earnings. So what we're going to do is head over to the options chain and sell a cash secured put. So after you go to the options chain, what you want to do is go to sell, put, and choose your expiration date. So for this example, we're just going to be choosing the closest expiration date, which is going to be May 27. So if we scroll down the options chain, we can find a strike price that we feel comfortable at. And for us, it's going to be this $11 strike. So basically, if we sell this cash secure put for $18 of credit, we're saying that as long as Snapchat stock stays above $11 per share, then we're going to be winning on this trade, and it's going to expire worthless. And when you're selling options, having these contracts expire worthless is going to be for your benefit. But if Snapchat stock drops below $11 per share by our expiration date of May 27, we had to buy 100 shares at our lower strike price, which is going to be $11 per share. So, in our opinion, this is a win win situation. We're collecting a nice 1.5% return on our premium, or we're going to be buying 100 shares of Snapchat stock at a cheaper price because currently the stock is hovering around $12.70, but we're saying we'll be okay getting assigned shares at $11 per share.